welcome back to my channel. It's Mommy Mel, Melissa, my sidekick.
BP.
I love having a sidekick. That's really fun.
I love being your sidekick.
We have so much fun together.
But that thing is sort of scaring me.
This is a beach waver, and I got this as a birthday present from Sia probably 5 years ago. And
The same thing?
This one. I had it in the box for years, and I kept looking at it, and I'm like, and then one day I'm like, I'm gonna try this.
Oh, I love that. Alright, so
first,
it spins. Alright.
I need that gray spray. I always, okay, so what happened was,
I'm so blind. I'm like,
it's living proof, and I just like this. Just spray it.
What is it?
It's just so it doesn't burn my hair because.
Oh, okay. Do you have enough?
I think so. Look, you put this on the end,
Yeah.
and then you go, wrap. Okay, so I always count. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. I know, I'm really weird.
Why don't you just count from 20?
Because I like to do 10. And look, I just let it down.
I'm still choking on that stuff.
Is it
Oh, that
gross?
looks good.
Is it gross?
Yeah. This
So what I do is I do my whole head. First I put moisturizer on my face. Then I do this. I curl this because your moisturizer has to dry. I curl my whole hair and I leave it in curls like this.
Oh,
and then I do my makeup.
Uh-huh.
And then I just go like this with my fingers. So
Oh,
you
okay.
can do it without burning my. And you can't do your hairs, honey bunny.
All right.
Okay, so
So I just grab a clump of it, like
Uh-huh.
a whole piece like that. Yeah. Okay.
and you have to put it down as far
Is it?
down.
I grab down the bottom.
Yep. And then you push a little
Oh
button.
crap. So.
See, this took me a little bit to do, probably like a good week.
Oh, it's hot too. So don't.
Oh,
touch
yeah.
the thing.
I forgot you're.
Oh. All right.
And you can. There's
10, 9.
10, 9.
What if I burn it? I'm worried it's going to be one of those videos where I burn your hair
Oh my
off.
God!
How do I undo it?
You just.
Unwind it?
Nope. You just. No. You.
Oh.
You just unclip it.
All right.
How did it look?
It's a bit tragic. I'll do it again.
It is easy to use once you learn how to use it, and
Okay.
you can do reverse and forward. So you can do
Oh,
like
crap.
one forward
There we
and one reverse, like.
Oh, I don't know why you're trusting me with this.
Because I trust you. Not.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Do you think that's enough?
No.
Oh my God, I'm scared. I'm coming out. Oh no, undo it.
Yeah, you just undo it.
Oh yeah, it worked. Yes,
I
it
told
worked.
you
Look,
can
show
do
the
it.
camera. Nailed it.
You did it.
Wow. All right. So we're just we've got to sing Vogue, but we can't.
Yep.
All right.
Yeah. I mean, I think it's such a cool.
It's so quick.
It's so cool.
Ow! Don't touch it.
You're gonna be going to Australia, and your mom's gonna be like, "What's up with your fingers?" You're like, "Well, I curled Melissa's hair."
Melissa's
Sorry,
hair.
Mom.
Oh, is that enough?
5, 4, 3.
Oh, you're so game.
Yes.
It's freaking me out. Oh, she's a little tight there. Oh, that looks
See?
pretty. Wow.
See?
All right.
Do you like my hair too? Do you like Emma's hair?
Are we doing the whole head?
Yeah.
Wow, that worked. They work. I'm shocked. Do I curl? Does it matter?
Out. Towards
Oh.
you.
What about this?
You can do it reverse.
That way. Okay. Oh, there we go. Okay.
But it also goes, if you did it the wrong way, you can actually, there's that little round button you're pushing goes forward and back.
Oh, wow. Okay. All right. So,
Okay, so then it's like this, and then this is what I do. So I let it like cool a bit, because I just want to do it. You know, just kind of go through it. But look at the thing.
it's great because it just looks like natural. Like it doesn't look.
Yeah, it is, and like literally this big piece.
Yeah, you can sort of like just do it even chunky, like
For sure.
do the front all perfect and then just.
But it's so easy. Can you believe
Wow, nailed it.
it? Do you love it? So, I just want to say, I gave 2 things a try to someone that's never used it. I mean, it's so simple.
And it even works on dog treats.
That's Boots' favorite dog treat. That's so funny.
Well, there you go. Even I can do it. So
Great.
anyone can do it. If you want Melissa to try something else, something crazy or something
Yeah.
fun, let us know in the comments down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye, thanks for coming again.
Bye.
Yeah, can you go tell me?
That's awesome. I love that.
Uh-huh.